Hello everyone, in this video I'm going over the agency dashboard in ChatDash. Once you log in, you'll see four tabs on the left side: clients, chatbots, top templates, and settings. In client sections, I already have a lot of clients in my agency. Each row represents a client. You can edit client detail in here. You can turn on and off two-factor authentications. And once you turn on this option, they will have to enter a one-time passcode sent to the client's email. You need to put your client's email to get this working. You can assign as many as projects you want to this client. These are the projects in my agency account, and you can select whatever project you want and assign it. You can see the client dashboard preview by clicking this button. As you can see, there are three projects assigned to this client. There are two types of clients in ChatDash: individual and organization. Once you create this organization, you'll be able to add members under this organization. This is the organization client I just created. I can see this button called Edit Member. If I click this, I'll be able to add a new member. So it's basically an individual client that is assigned to the organization. You can create a client, either organization or individual. Once you create a client, you can assign projects and preview the client dashboard. Let's go to chatbots. As you can see, there are many chatbots added to my agency. Right now, we have VoiceFlow, OpenAI, Bobcrest, VectorShift, Flowise, and Vetby, and more integrations coming soon. Once you click Add Chatbot, you will be prompted to select chatbot platform you want to add. And once you click the platform you want, you will be prompted to the required inputs from chatbot platform, the required API keys or project ID from the platform. One of the most frequently asked questions from our users was this option. Simply put, by turning on Use External Widget, you will not be able to use ChatDash's chat widget. What this means is that you will use the platform's native widget or any other widget that you made it for yourself. So basically, all the conversations you see in the chatbot platform's dashboard will be migrated into ChatDash dashboard. And once you click Use External Widget, ChatDash will automatically retrieve all the conversations from the chatbot platform itself. So in this case, VoiceFlow, if I add all the required information, you will not be able to use our chat widget. ChatDash will be automatically retrieving all the conversations inside the VoiceFlow dashboard. What's this custom option? This is basically for the case where you want to use ChatDash's client dashboard for the non-supported integrations in ChatDash. For example, you might create a custom coded chatbots in Python, and you want to have some sort of sleek dashboard that your clients can log in and see all the conversations and analytics out of the box. You can use this option. You can basically call ChatDash's API to push all the conversations into ChatDash, and you will get your client dashboard. You will get your chatbot analytics conversations out of the box. Let's go to product setting page, and in here you can customize anything related to the project: web chat, branding, and all the color theme and appearance of your chat. And you can even add your custom CSS to this chat widget right inside this agency dashboard. In this settings tab, you will be able to do more customization options. If you want to use live chat feature inside your client dashboard, you must turn on this live agent feature. We support two different social channels integrations: WhatsApp and Instagram, and Facebook Messengers coming. In AI analysis tab, there are four main features that we support. The first one is summary. As you turn on this summary, it will automatically create a summary of the conversations at the end. Evaluation is basically tell whether these conversations went correctly or not. Auto tagging is usually related to topics. If you have topics for this client, you can use a template. You see the templates and apply it. See the topics of this project If the user asks about refunds or billing inquiries, ChatDash will automatically segment conversations by topics and assign its all zeros conversations. This number represents the number of conversations assigned to this topic. You can even add a subtopic under the topic. You can subscribe to topics that you want to pay attention to. For example, if you're running an e-commerce chatbot, you might be interested in conversations about refund. And you can turn on this icon and you will get notified via email when new conversation is assigned to refunds. Another one is messenger queries. If you turn on this, ChatDash will automatically analyze the conversation, will extract the user query that bot didn't understand. This is very useful if you want to get actionable insights on how your chatbot's performing and stuff. And the other one is going to be parse. The idea of this parse is going to be, so for example, if you have a complicated PDF and if you load that PDF to platforms directly, it doesn't capture the true context of the PDF. For example, it will drop all the image context, the formatting of the text. It might not be able to detect text inside of PDF and stuff. This new feature will automatically analyze PDF and turn them into markdown text, which is friendly. You can turn on this auto trigger parsing. Once your client upload PDF file, it will automatically trigger the AI parsing process before actually uploading it to the platform's knowledge base. So it's basically doing the conversion and formatting work of messy data for you. And also I wanted to show you client access. In this client access, you can fully customize the sidebar menu the client will see on their client dashboard. So for example, in analytics, over 10 metrics that we support, and you can basically turn on and off. So for example, you don't want to show your client's knowledge base at all, you can just turn it off. Another one is going to be project report. In this feature, you can create and export a summary report of the interactions and token usage for this project. There are two options. You can add basic interactions and token usage that doesn't consume credits. If you want to see frequently asked questions during this time frame, you can turn on this feature. And the caveat is, if you turn on this FAQ feature, it will consume credits. The PDF report for this project is generated. You can see the basic analytics, such as total incoming messages and even token usages. The second page, you will be able to see the frequently asked questions. You can see the main questions and the similar questions as well. You can see how chatbot actually answered to this question. And you can export this as PDF and send it over to your clients. I also wanted to make a clear distinction between chatbots and projects as well. In ChatDash, chatbots and projects are two different concepts. This is our documentation. It explains the difference between a chatbot and a project in ChatDash. Chatbot is a chatbot itself, or the conversational chatbot engine created in any supported platforms such as VoiceFlow, OpenAI, or WordPress. Project is a chatbot assigned to a client in ChatDash. So chatbot becomes a project when it is assigned to a client. For example, you might add a chatbot from VoiceFlow inside ChatDash. You might want to use one chatbot across multiple clients. This is where projects comes in. For example, there's a client called MyORZ, and I can assign a project. I can also assign the same chatbot to another client. And as you can see, there are two clients sharing the same chatbots here. We made these two concepts, chatbots and products, because I see some use cases where agencies have their productized chatbot and they want to basically assign the same chatbot to different clients. They want to segment conversations by clients. We can achieve that use case in ChatDash out of the box. As you can see in the diagram, you can have one productized voiceable chatbot, and through ChatDash, you can assign this same chatbot from VoiceFlow to different clients. ChatDash will automatically segment all the conversations and analytics by client. There are 5 sub-menus in agency setting. You can customize all the agency's branding. In white label, you can customize your agency branding in your client's dashboard. Add favicon website title, theme, and custom domain. You can manage your custom domain here and add your agency member as well. One of the features that a lot of people liked was translation settings. Basically, you can customize all the translation in your liking. For example, let's say you are using English and you want to change contact agency without your password that will be shown in your client's login page. You can customize this message as well and put this error message in your agency dashboard. We support around 30 different languages out of the box, but if you want to use language that's not supported natively in ChatDash, you can make your own custom translation. A lot of people ask how the credit system works. Credits are only for recently released beta features, which is AI analysis and parse. It has nothing to do with the number of messages or interactions of your chatbot. So yeah, this is basically the table that explains what is credit for and what are the features that consume credits. And as you can see, there's summary evaluation, topic assignment, listen dish query, and FAQ generation. Right now in ChatDash, there are only 5 advanced AI features that consume credits. And I see there's no explanation about how much parse feature consumed the credits, but you'll be able to see how much credits they consume inside parse setting. I think that's pretty much it for the overview of ChatDash agency dashboard. We have our Discord community. We're very active in there, so feel free to join our Discord community and just try it out. If any questions come up, hit me up on Discord. We have a lot of new features coming up in coming weeks, such as retail AI and blend AI integrations and white label stripe billing as well. So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, keep crushing it.